Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on the website that is greenmercury.com. As if you are curious to know about the details, as people from United States are very curious to know about the details of this website, so let's check out the details. Greenmercury.com is an online store that listed one item on their website, and it is a nativity puzzle set designed especially for the Christmas season. The jigsaw is made of wood with a burnt design that looks very beautiful and premium. The finishing of the product is refined and the description is very engaging. The product can be used both as children's toy and as a showpiece to decorate your home at Christmas. It looks fantastic over the mantel or on the shelves. The specification of the product are like it is a jigsaw puzzles made of wood. The size is about 20 by 15 and it is available in the price $39.50. The positive point of the product are this is handmade, which make it unique. Burnt design on the wood is look beautiful. The diameter of the product is perfect for displaying the item on mantel shelves on your piano. Pieces can easily fit inside a crafted wooden frame. As far as negative point of the product are concerned, it is appealing to children. The puzzle is not suitable under the age of 3. The watercolor on the product will fade away over the time. So question is Greenmercury a legit or a scam? So without any review, it is not easy to judge the legitimacy of the products. However, there are few details we can discuss that may help you to be safe to make purchase. For example, the product is without any customer review, which is not expected if the product is popular. The brand claimed to exist from 2021, but the portal is new, only a month old. There is no discussion regarding the product on social sites. The product is not available on any other shopping site. Greenmercury has no official email address. It uses Gmail instead. Some of the reviewing website claims that the product and the site as scam with just 2% trust score. So as we all know that the customer review are a great help, and for this website, like, it does not meet any criteria that can be useful to determine the authenticity of the site. Meanwhile, the customer feedbacks are also missing, and there is no reliable source from which we can extract any information regarding the product. So we can come to the conclusion that it's not a legit product and website. So we are not recommending any one of you to shop this product and to go and shop from this website. Meanwhile, if you have experience of shopping from this portal, please share your experience with us. We love to hear from you.